Hello, friends. So we have a story to read today. This is a nonfiction story. Before we start reading it, you will need a couple of things for our activity today. You will need your yellow butterfly book. We're going to be turning to page 95 when we get it. You will also need your pencil. So we're going to read our story first. Our story is a nonfiction story. It's called Day and Night Sky. Let's listen and read. This is the sky during the day. The sun is in the sky. This is the sky at night. The moon is in the sky. Daytime. The sun rises in the morning and sets at night. The sun is very hot and bright. It looks like a giant fireball. Be careful never to look straight at the sun. Nighttime. The moon looks different at different times of the month. The moon can look like a thin crescent, like this. At another time, it can look full and round, like this. Sometimes you can even see the moon during the day, like in this picture. So maybe you can go outside and you can see what shape the moon is tonight. Or maybe you'll even see it in the sky during the daytime hours. The stars. The sun is a star. It looks big because it is the closest star to Earth. There are other stars we see only at night. These stars are very far away from Earth. We are always looking for new stars. Maybe one day you will discover one. So let's get out our yellow butterfly book on page 95. And on that page, you are going to notice a picture . It says, daytime. The sun is very hot and bright. It looks like a giant fireball. So at the bottom, it says the sun and a giant fireball are both, think about how they are similar or the same. The sun and a giant fireball. We can see a picture of the sun in this picture. I would say that the sun and a fireball are both very hot. So let's get out our pencil. We're going to be writing on these lines at the bottom. Let's see what that looks like. Very hot. 2 words we're going to write. Very. I hear that V sound at the beginning. I know that V sound is made with the letter V. Very. This is what the word very looks like. Very hot. I can find out the sounds in hot by putting the sounds on my arm. H, ah, t. The first sound is h, h. That sound is made with our letter H. Ah is our second sound. That sound ah is made with the letter O. Ah, t. That t sound is made with the letter T. I can put a T at the end. The sun and a giant fireball are both very hot. Wonderful job. Let's turn our page to page 96. So you're going to turn just one page in your yellow butterfly book. You'll find a picture that looks like this. And on this page, it says, what do you see in the night sky? Circle the things in the picture that you see in the night sky. I think we see stars, don't we? There's lots of stars in the night sky. Then draw how the sky looks in the daytime. So in the blue box next to the picture of the nighttime sky, we're going to draw what it looks like during the daytime. So there's probably going to be a sun in the sky. It's going to be very bright outside. Maybe you're going to have some flowers by your house. Maybe you're going to be in the picture. You can draw that picture. Now you can stop the video so you can finish the picture, or you can come along with me and finish the sentence at the bottom of our page. It says, and you can read with me, in the night sky you can see. What are some things you can see in the night sky? I can see stars. I can see the moon. Maybe you can even see clouds that are over the moon, just like in our story, Bringing Down the Moon. So we're going to finish our sentence. In the night sky, you can see the stars and moon. There are 4 words that we are going to write. The stars and moon. The, we know that word. The, T-H-E. The stars. I hear a S at the beginning of stars. Stars. The stars. And, that's another word that we know. And moon. Moon. The stars and moon. Remember, you can go back to finish your picture. Good job, friends.